video, kind of a before and after. Let's see what all's inside this thing. Definitely looks like something needs to be filmed. Uncork it thing. Let's see what we got here. All right, here we just unpackaged our letters to go in the tailgate. A good old Atcham. See how the Atcham looks on the back of the Toyota. Hands of a surgeon right there.
Oh yeah.
New tailgate letters, new bed cover. Man, she's ready to sit in the garage now.